Hey everyone, welcome back to WeeklyTools, where we make car repairs simple. Today, we're tackling the P0312 code, which means cylinder 12 misfire detected. Don't worry if that sounds a bit overwhelming. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to diagnose and fix this issue. Let's get started. The P0312 code is a generic OBDI trouble code that indicates a misfire has been detected in cylinder 12. Now, depending on your vehicle, you might not have 12 cylinders, especially in smaller engines. So, this code is more relevant for V12 engines. Misfires can be caused by various issues, so we'll cover the most common ones and how to fix them. Faulty spark plug, ignition coil failure, fuel injector issue, low compression, vacuum leak, wiring issues, OBDI scanner, spark plug socket and ratchet, ignition coil tester, fuel injector cleaner or replacement injector, compression tester, multimeter for electrical testing. First, plug in your OBDI scanner and check for the P0312 code. If it pops up, you've confirmed a misfire in cylinder 12. Pop the hood and locate your engine's spark plugs. You might need to remove some plastic covers to access them. Use a spark plug wrench to carefully remove the plug from cylinder number 12. Inspect the spark plug. Is it worn, cracked, or dirty? If so, it's time for a new one. Check the gap between the center electrode and the ground electrode with a spark plug gapping tool. If the gap is too wide or narrow, adjust it carefully using the gapping tool. Repeat for all spark plugs, replacing any worn or damaged ones. Ignition coils deliver the spark to the spark plugs. They're usually located right on top of the spark plugs. Carefully remove the ignition coil for cylinder number 12. Look for any cracks, burns, or oil leaks. These are signs of a bad coil. Some vehicles allow you to swap the coil with another cylinder's coil to see if the code changes. If the misfire code jumps to the new cylinder, then the coil is bad. Replace the faulty ignition coil with a new one. Once you've identified the problem, go ahead and replace or repair the faulty component. After fixing the issue, clear the code using your OBDI scanner and take the car for a test drive to see if the code comes back. And that's it. You've successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0312 code. Misfires can be tricky, but with the right tools and steps, they're totally manageable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY car repair guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.